Hi, I'm Vilco, member of MMM Philippines. I'm from Butuan City. Last December 26, I requested to get help an amount of 10,000, and I am very thankful to Liningning Tao Tao, Elsa Gumbao, and Victoria, and also Merlita Sibelio for their kind assistance that I immediately receive my request assistance of 10,000 pesos the other day, December 27, 2015. Very much thankful of knowing MMM in my life, and I'm so blessed this great opportunity for us, for me, and also for my family. Thank you so much, guys, and for giving me assistance when I'm in need. And mabuhay, and good luck to all of us, and we're blessed.